Mic check. What is going on, people? What is popping? Welcome back to Market. Hopefully you guys are all doing well. If you guys can hear me clearly coming in through the airways, not the airwise, give me a quick thumbs up and let's get the show on the road, people. Very important day ahead of us. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, people. Welcome back to the market. This is going to be one of the most important trading days of the year. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get ready. Get ready. If you have not yet, of course, guys, smash that like button. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. Either way, lock in. Lock all the way in. We have ourselves a day ahead of us. We are looking for a few different updates here. We're just going through non-farm payrolls right now. We're going through data. The market is up on said data. We have a few different huge news updates coming from Meta, making a nuclear partnership with Oklo. Oklo currently up 17.6%. At one point in time, it was up 20% this morning. Looking good. Looking good. Open Door also up 11% this morning off of news of making it easier to own homes. This came last night as it did start ripping up a few percent. The cannabis market as well up significantly just because Tilray had earnings and they're now up 12%. Quantum names green. DraftKings also green this morning. An important level here for DraftKings from the looks of it. Very interesting. Ooh, baby. Okay. What kind of day are we going to have today? SPY and the Qs are ripping here, pulling everything up with it. The Qs are pushing up towards 623. The SPY is pushing up towards 692. We got Iran pushing back up towards previous day highs. RKT's also up 6% off the same news. INTC's up. Run is up. LMND is up. Interesting. All right, chat, let's get into it. So, ladies and gentlemen, ladies, today's gonna be a crazy day because we have ourselves, well, the first bit of information already came out. We already got the news, the data already came out, which is great. We had unemployment that came in 4.4%, better than the 4.5% estimate. The non-farm payrolls came in at 53K versus 73K estimate. Private payrolls came in at 37K. Government payrolls, the revision to the November payrolls also came in. Average hourly earnings came in plus 0.33% month over month, plus $3.76 year over year. Average work week 34.2, labor and participation 62.4. So softer but still stable is what I'm getting from the data so far, which is not bad. As you can see, the market is obviously reacting in a positive fashion. But the important thing today is court rulings. That is going to be the important part. Crazy. So at 10 o'clock today, we're going to basically at 10 o'clock onward, we can expect to get some sort of indication from the courts with which direction we're going to be going next with tariffs. And that's going to be the big mover today. So this is step one. Step one, positive, market's up. Step two is going to be interesting. This is going to be interesting. All right, chat. Whatever names you guys are looking at, throw them into the chart. Whatever charts you guys are looking at, throw into the chat. I'm gonna start pulling up different charts here and giving you guys a few different breakdowns. I want to cover just a handful, because I want to stay focused as we head towards 10 a.m. Okay. You got the first 50-minute candles that have closed now. The first day I'm pulling up here, guys. Well, first things first, DraftKings looks decent here. Looks like it's pulling up above the neckline. The last time we saw it break above this range here was roughly in June. And it saw a nice clean shoot all the way back up towards 48 bucks. So this does look like a decent setup here to have on the list. Meta is another name that I was looking at, and it is up this morning just a touch above yesterday's highs. This could be a clean reversal daily candle here. So I like this look on Meta. It does add a little something to it. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Now, Iran and Cypher are going to be the secondary names here. Iran already pushing near yesterday's highs. Looked like a nice flag pattern yesterday. Next level up for this should be roughly 53 bucks. Cypher Mining also had a pennant breakout, currently at 3.4%. This name also looks good. I think a combination of both of them is probably where we should be. I like the look on both of these names so far. Now, last night, you got some news that came in that looked pretty interesting. Okay, let's take a look at this. This came in from El Presidente. Okay, let's see here. So this is a tweet coming, well, a truth that was created into a tweet coming out of Trump, basically directing his team to buy $200 billion in mortgage bonds to push the mortgage rates lower because the bond rates and the yields work inversely. It should make buying houses cheaper, which should make companies like Open Door a little bit more active, bring in the traffic, bring in the business. RKT, as results, also up this morning. Now this is looking solid. Let me just take a look here. Yeah, I think we're almost there. I think we're almost there. For those of you guys who are on the Discord, take a look at the market chat later on this morning. And the neckline is about to be tested here. Huge. Huge, huge, huge. Okay, Reddit looking decent as well. Ooh, BBAI. Interesting look here as it's trying to scoot back up. Okay, we'll watch that one for sure. We'll watch that one for sure. Plug power. Honestly, the daily candle on Plug is more of a reversal candle than anything. This has been a crazy day, but Plug Power to me needs to break back above yesterday's highs, because that sweeping look there to me, without the news, I would say this is going to come back down towards 139. It really needs to hold up strong today, like really does. I would love to see Meta back above 650, but that's just because I have calls on Meta. You know, that's very biased. What about Netflix? Take a little peek at Netflix. Netflix isn't really doing much at the moment, to be fair. I do have calls on Netflix, but it's not really doing anything right now. It's just kind of trading down. Yeah, it's just kind of very slowly trading down. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. This is just, it's just chopping away. Like the low from a few weeks back was 92.65. It broke below that low, but it hasn't really lost much ground whatsoever. It's kind of just chopping away here. I'd probably be watching for a break back above 92 here. A break back above roughly 92.35 would make me feel more comfortable, like this thing is ready to kind of change the course. But until then, it's just kind of chopping away, which is fine. Support all the way back down towards 85. So this could continue to chop downwards. But once it breaks above 92.35, that's when I think the party will start. That's where I think we'll start seeing some more upside. Up 10% today. Not bad. Yeah, there are going to be a few names popping up this morning that look good. Anything above 930, and this thing could probably push back up here towards $11 again. It looks decent here. It just held support yesterday. Great gap up this morning. Not bad at all. INTC. Looking for more here. Sound is also looking decent. If we can hold support here, Sound can be on his way back up towards 17. That's very possible. Yeah, I don't mind this look on Sound at all. MU's still looking at new all-time highs. TSM is only up a touch. AMD still looking heavy. AMD, this weekly candle looks ugly. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Look, this weekly candle in AMD looks like it's destined for more downside. Be very careful here. Oracle. Let's put Oracle. Oracle needs some life. Oracle needs to regain roughly 200 to start looking good again. That previous high all the way back from December 9th needs to regain those highs. Palantir. Palantir's kind of in no man's land right now. Huge sell-off yesterday. Huge. But it's trying to stay afloat here. Above 177, and this looks a lot better. Below 177, not so strong. Path. Take a look at Path. Path had an ugly day yesterday. Overall, though, Path is looking decent. As long as it can hold above $16, this looks like it's trying to base. This is what Path looks like to me. And it's just trying to get back up here and consolidate right above that $19 to $20 range there before it takes a shot back up again. Really trying to lock it in. Yeah, this is going to be a very interesting morning. News coming out of the courts at 10 a.m. will shake the markets. Whether that's in a bullish way or bearish way, we'll see. Happy Friday, people. Happy freaking Friday. Oh my goodness. Hey, chat, what's the temperature where you guys are at right now? If you don't mind me asking. What is the temperature where you guys are at right now? It is warm in the city right now. It is crazy warm in the city. It is 30, 64, 5, 57, 44, 39, 55, 35, 30, 70. I feel like I'm an auctioneer. Okay. Yeah. Interesting. What is there's 30? -1. Listen to this, guys. Today is going to be a high of 55 degrees. 50 to 55 degrees in Toronto. $50 to 55 degrees in Toronto. What's going on right now? What's popping? What's happening? Why? You know how insane that is? You know how insane that is? 70 in Florida. It's going to be 15 degrees colder in Toronto than in Florida in January. Wild. Wild. Wild, wild, wild. Anyways, gang. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock's going to be the big time period, okay? Please keep that part in mind. That's where things start to come into effect. Right now, the markets are up. Everything's slowly rising, which is great. Specifically for those of us who have meta calls. We like that a lot. Is your daughter lives in the east side near Cumberland Town? Oh, nice. Okay, okay. We like that. Alaska. Yes, God, listen. If it's 55 degrees in Alaska, I think we're all in trouble. Okay. I think we're all in trouble here. Docu, not looking bad here at all. Yeah, Docu's got a little bit of a... Yeah, Docu's got a little bit of a thing going on over here. Interesting here in Docu. Very interesting on Docu. I wonder if this thing can hold up above this neckline and kind of push back higher. From a macro perspective, I can see this push back up to at least 105, 110. Interesting. All right, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, ladies, we're going to leave things here for now. 10 a.m. is going to shake things up. There isn't really much we can do to prepare for that from a trading perspective outside of managing our risk accordingly, right? Anytime after 10 o'clock is going to be at risk of seeing some extremely high volatile price action. Reminder, for those of you guys who want to live trade with us, link in the description below, guys, to jump in there and get a 10-day free trial. It should be pinned top of chat. Feel free to do so. We have been having a ball. We will continue to have a ball. Okay. We will be back again on Monday, guys, for another live stream, and there will be some weekend updates as well. Stay tuned for that. Outside of that, guys, enjoy your Friday. All right. Enjoy your Friday. Enjoy your weather on Friday. Lizzie, I hope your daughter has some amazing weather this weekend. All right. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Much love. Deuces. Yes, I got your points, Twitch.